The Sam Beauford Woodworking Institute is accredited for the military. It's kind of a nice thing to know that you can contact the military and they'll call you back and say, yeah, you're okay to go. That part gets you in the door. And then once you're in the door, you're in a group setting with other veterans. And then on Fridays, there was a group setting with all veterans. You kind of felt like you're in the military. You had a military environment, but you're in a learning environment doing something totally new. In the military, we had a set of values like integrity, honesty, selfless service, esprit de corps, camaraderie, kind of all grouped together. And you find out that you have other people with the same values. So it made it really pleasant. As a woodworker, I would say that the veterans, if they came to this program, they would learn a lot about things they never thought they could do. And when I came here, I had no idea I could be a woodworker. I did a chair class, I did a whiskey cabinet class. I realized this is a good working environment. The staff is great. The buildings are nice. The people are happy and wanting to learn. And so after one, I did a second one, and I said, let me look at that 1 year program. And then it just all came together. It was a really good feeling to be around people that do the same thing that you want to do.